Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Verma and welcome to my portfolio. Today I'm going to show you one another Power BI project that I recently did, and it's live one. Basically, something really interesting is happening in the world right now around us, and I thought like Google Trends, if everybody know, is a website they have made to understand like basically what trends are going on in the world right now. So I went ahead and I did a Power BI dashboard basically like this, which would give me like the complete holistic uh, picture of some few keywords. I got it using a keyword, using an API, Google API. So basically what I you can see in the other video as well, where I am showing the complete uh, thing where how I can we can use the SERP API to get all these Google APIs for different things. So basically, this is a uh, website where we can just get all these things. Let me show you which one I used. I use basically these are the different ones, and if we just go down Google, this one, Google Trends. So this will get you all the different uh, things that are shown here. Let us see what's trending. Let's explore few things, and I'll show you how my dashboard is going to work now. I have made few calls. Yeah, these were the different success calls I did. So basically in this free engine, they will free plan, they will give us like 100 API calls, and I was able to use 36 to get what I wanted to make the dashboard. Let's check for few words like cricket and another, and we would like to see it like worldwide in the past, let's say 7 days, not a lot of data. And then I would like to have a decent score, yeah, maybe um, data word, like how much it is. Yeah, okay. And then maybe another keyword. I can use up to 5 keywords with this API. I could use more, but that's going to fetch a lot of bandwidth. So let me just for this, I can probably use um, um, uh, AI. Let's say simple AI. Yeah, AI is on the top notch average. All right. So basically, this is the data that we have. Why not we just download this one for the last 7 days, and we have this here. I'll just quickly open it to show you how it's shown. So basically this is the live data that I am currently showing you. It shows something like 23 24 and then starts here. All right, so this is like T23 is like 23rd hour, this is 00, and this is 9th June 2025. So all right, so this is what it was. Let me quickly open my dashboard. So basically I'll just navigate to my projects, Google Trends. These were the different projects that I have made. Google Trends, this is the PBX file, it's opening. And in the meantime, I'll also please do check out the other video where I'm showing all the steps how you can get the data using the Python script. All right, so basically these are like trendy words: cricket, data, and AI. I just wanted to load this data and show the results. So the data is loaded. So these are the various pages. We have Azure map, and then we have a page for the related data for those searches. These are the last searches that I did, and basically we have a final detail page. So if you see, this is the 12th June, and today mm, I'm going to run it. Today is 15th of June 2025. So what I'm going to do, I'll just quickly show you the first thing, getting all these base tables. um, Quickly go into the transform tab. The system is a little slow right now. It's going to take me a few seconds here and there to show you, but if you want to see how it really works, you have to be patient. Alright, so this is like the API endpoint. You see, I'm getting a search JSON from SERP API, passing the query parameters, the full address, and then compare, breakdown by region, and all these. So basically, I'm bringing 3 or 4 API calls for different charts that I'm using right now. I have what I have made here is like I'm using keywords here so that I do not have to go back and do this API call like every time. I am just using the keyword here for this Google Trends engine, so I do not have to make everything static and go in each and every query call to make those changes. I'll just quickly close. So basically this is a refresh date when it's going to be last refresh. So this just refreshed. I'll just quickly close this. uh, as a user, we do not really have to go inside. What I have done is basically we have like added parameters option here. I'm going to give the same parameters that we gave here. um, Cricket, data, and AI it is. So cricket, data, and AI, I pass it. All right, I'll just quickly do an apply. This is calling the API real time. So basically it's going to take few seconds to load. It's going to call like base country API, date API, last 7 day searches, and all those tables it's going to update. I'll just quickly resume once everything is loaded. So everything got loaded, and you will see it's going to update the refresh date here. Should be 15 now. Yes, if you see, all the charts are updating. But yes, the dashboard is updated for AI cricket data. Yeah, so it is showing the total number of searches that were made for these, and these are the related searches for these keywords like cricket, like part-time job, data, cover letter, career, and all these keywords. How many times it was mentioned, like job were mentioned 100 times. These are the like employment was mentioned 5 times for basically these three keywords. And this is the complete story, like 12,000 times this search was in data, 4600, 2300, 19,000. This is like a narrative. So what I'm going to do is, let's see. AI was the data we got from here. All right, so if I just quickly make a copy of this, and I'll just delete the 6 because we only have 2 for 8th. Let's delete it. I'm going to check for 9th. 2631 is like the total number of calls. Oh, let me just include that as well now. So 2655 was the total number of calls, searches that were made in Google Analytics and cricket keyword. And if we see, we have 2613. This is probably because of the uh, little hours difference, but yeah, 2631 and 2613. Data was 4600 odd, and if you see 4670, 46.6, and AI was like way above 12,164 when we can quickly verify it from here. AI worldwide was mentioned 12,1285 if you see here. So pretty much accurate results that we have here. It's a difference, minor differences because of the hours and day wise as well. If we are able to check, let's see for ninth. Yeah, these are the 23 hours, and for ninth, if I say 206 for cricket, 654 for data. So 204 cricket and 645, 654, yeah, for data, and 1694 for AI, and if you see 1711. So these numbers are the numbers that we are getting directly from the API calls. Again, few difference here and there because of the difference in how Power BI is managing the time zones and how Google AI is managing the time zones. So that's one. So now our refresh date is also updated. So we can see 15 June, and this is the chart that's going to be something we can quickly check. Like let's say in India, if I just quickly say 33 of the search volume is coming from India, and cricket is like highest 70%, data 18, AI. And if I check for Canada, 44% is for data. Of course, cricket is not one of their main things. And check here another thing. So 19,000 is like total searches in the last 7 days. And what we saw from our data is from 8th to 15th, like 10 p.m. something odd. Currently it is 11:30. It's going to show us for that 19,762 is like the total amount of searches for these keywords, and in our dashboard it's also showing 19,000 for this thing. We can also click on any part of the world, let's say North America, and it will quickly filter out for that. Okay, it got it. United States 12%, cricket, AI 41, and data 47%. Well, this chart basically is showing only when the more than 500 keyword searches were done here. So if we see here, this cricket was most searched on 14, more than 500 times, and then nothing on the other days. Let's quickly verify a few things here as well. The video is getting long, so how this is working. We can see the project here. You can play around. You can probably match it. This is like a live version. You can check on my portfolio website. It will drill down everything. So if you see everything is going to change, you can basically this it went to Bangladesh, and click on this to get the full report. Thank you.